These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. A Trico 24-inch wiper blade and another Trico 19-inch wiper blade. Okay, first I'm going to be putting down my towel on the windshield. I don't want to remove the blade and the arm fall down and hit the glass. So removing the blade, push down the lock, take them out. Putting the new one on. Pushing down the lock. So we're on the passenger side of the vehicle, putting my towel on my glass, removing the wiper. There's a tab, push it down and remove the wiper. Putting on the new wiper. Pushing down the lock. And you're good to go. So that's how you replace wiper blades. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.